Compose. So first you need to import the related dependencies. Like I have imported the version using the version 1.0.1, and I have imported the library. Let me close it. Yep, you can see this one. Also I have to define the dependency in the build.gradle file of the app level. You can see, okay, this one. Also let's create a simple login screen. So let me create the login screen, like login screen name to fun composable. Yep. And you need to define constraint layout and modifier dot fill max size, and you need to create the reference, like for example reference variable, for example email ref comma password ref, and check box ref remember me ref, and let's say login button ref, need to create refs. So we can use the, let's say we need to define the edit text for the email. So I have made the generate function edit text field, so it can be used as email and password. Okay, you can see this one. And let's say auth edit text field modifier dot field mix speed dot ref constraint as email ref. Hold on. Input type dot email this one. I have defined the input type names, email and password, and we need to define like let's say start dot to parent dot start. Let's yep. Also we need to copy this one, paste this one, and we need to email and password start, and top dot link to email ref dot bottom comma margin, let's say 20.dp. we need to import it, and we need to change this one ref. And let's see, let's create a checkbox. So first we need to define the checkbox here. Let's say var is checked by remember new table state of false. Hit alt enter, and once again hit alt enter. Bingo. And let's say check box is checked is check equal to it. Okay, and we need to define its modifier here. So modifier dot constraint as checkbox ref start dot link to parent dot start comma margin, let's say 4.dp. Let's reformat it. Press Control Alt L on Windows, and on Mac press Command Alt L, and we need to define the top on the checkbox. So let's say top dot link to password dot bottom, comma, let's say margin, give it margin 8.dp. okay, and we need to define the text here. Let's say remember me, comma, modifier dot wrap content size dot constraint as remember ref, bingo. And we need to define the constraint as well. So first we need to define start dot link to checkbox ref dot end, margin, let's say 4.dp, and top dot link to password ref dot bottom, comma, margin, let's say 8.dp. okay, and remember me. And we need to define the button here, and we need to define the constraint as well. So modifier dot fill max width dot constraint as login button ref, let's say top dot link to checkbox ref dot bottom, comma, margin 20.dp, and dot link to parent dot start, and we need to define the text here. So let's say login, comma, text align, let's say text dot center, and we can change the color as well, like color node, let's say white. Okay, so this is the code for the constraint layout, and we need to define the login skin here. And that's it. So we can run it right now. bingo. Oh, yep. We can see remember me is not aligned with the checkbox. So let's go back to the login screen and let's say dot padding 20.dp, and we need to go back to the remember me, and let's say top dot link to checkbox dot top bottom dot link to checkbox dot bottom, and you can remove the margin as well. Oh, yep, sorry, this one. So we can run it. You can see it's aligned. You can see like here and here. So that's it for this tutorial. So if you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.